Alright, y'all come eat with me today for dinner at work. I got the big boy strawberry lemonade. I typically don't get lemonade because a lot of people don't make it right, but that junk is busting. So I got the extra large chicken sauce. I don't know if you guys can see the whole thing. Yeah, it's huge. Like I said, I had the sleeve done, so I've been eating a lot of pureed food, soups, and stuff. Comes with 2 limes, 2 things of hot sauce. They charge like $14 extra for the extra large. I know the regular size, I think it's like 18. That's what it said on Uber Eats. They could be overpricing it. It could be less. So I'm gonna try it without the hot sauce first. Lots of meat, lots of chicken. Look like potatoes. You can see the bone in it. So it's greasy though. It's actually pretty good. It's almost 3 o'clock in the morning and they still serving chicken sauce. So that I'm surprised. The chicken could be a little bit more moist, but it's not bad, especially getting it at 3 o'clock in the morning. So it's from Auntie Reese Safay. If I'm saying it right, it's on the cup. I know you guys can't really see it. It's written on the cup. And I'm gonna try it. The lime. Let's see if it brings it up. I love my hot sauce, so thing is I can't really do too much, can't really eat too much too fast, so y'all bear with me. But yeah. The hot sauce smells so good. I'm putting both of them. If it was me, I would have been squirting out, so I was fucking up. Excuse me. Yeah, that hot sauce definitely brought it to another level. This is a lot of food. This will probably take me all today and tomorrow. Cause about a couple spoonfuls, I'll be full. So yeah, y'all definitely check them out. They got shrimp, wings. That menu was really, really good. I just can't eat all of that, so I just stuck with the sauce. But definitely worth it. And that lemonade, the big boy, yeah, it's hidden. So y'all definitely follow for more. And check them out. Tell me what you think. Or if you have checked them out, tell me your experience. And see ya.